stream. There's a little buffer period where you can like talk about whatever you need, and then we'll introduce ourselves. So yeah, it's basically allows me to check to see if the stream is up and everything. And the stream is working. We're on about a 1-2 second delay, which isn't bad. So yeah, we should be fine. Hello, welcome to the Destiny Funtime stream, as I'm going to call it. Super ethical reality Destiny. If you get that reference, congrats. It's officially 2:01 a.m. The stream started at 2. We're looking somewhere of an hour to maybe 2 hour stream here, depending on how things fly. Will not be joining us tonight, so I am joined here with Nick.
He won't be joining us tonight because he straight up fell the fuck asleep.
Well, you're not wrong.
Mid-heist.
Yeah, mid-heist. Check that out on the other stream on the Gripline channel. I'm going to post a highlight there. You can pinpoint the exact moment Will fell asleep. He was talking not 2 minutes before he fell asleep though.
It was like, boom, fucking out immediately. Like, there's no buffer. It's just, blah, 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 snore.
I want that to be the motto of the show now. Just blah, 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 snore. See who can last the longest.
This is the blah, 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 snore stream?
Yeah. The first one ever. I'll put that in the title. I need to edit anyways on Twitch. First ever blah 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 snore stream. That's a tongue twister. I'm gonna edit this title. Blah.
I love the shank wave.
Blah.
It's probably my favorite.
Okay, the title's fixed. We got a viewer. We'll just randomly decide to hop in. Welcome to the stream. If you are new to our streams, they are usually uploaded for whatever you miss onto a channel known as Gripline or Tamer Assassin. The full stream will probably be uploaded on the Gripline channel, which I will put a link here soon. And the highlights will probably be on Tamer Assassin channel. So this is the... Oh, jeez, I messed up the name. Blah 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 snore stream. Here we go.
The blah 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 snore stream. Thank you. Welcome.
Best type of stream.
This is the stream where we start talking and then randomly 10 seconds into it fall the fuck asleep.
Especially in the middle of trying to get $82,000.
Yeah, just you know, planning a massive heist, but you know, feel free to take naps.
Yeah, take naps whenever you need. Play soothing music, which is actually brutal death metal. Oh, I'm still picking this freaking colored powder out my ear.
Fucking right. Oh, man.
Brushed my teeth after I got home even. Like, after I got out my hour-long shower, it felt like.
I wish I could have taken an hour-long shower. I had
Yeah,
to
you took 15 minutes.
I didn't even take 15 minutes.
That
sucks. I didn't even take a shower. I went home, wiped down with a wet rag, and then went to work.
That sucks, dude. Like... Even my hair was so grimy, I hated it. It was horrible. I loved the party though.
Interesting though, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely interesting.
Water.
I had blue was covering the walls of it, so it looked like I murdered a Smurf. Put that in quotes, put my name beside it, and sign my name to it. Same thing, right? No, put my name twice.
Pretty much.
Double the me, double the action, double the happiness. So, Nick, while we're here, let's give some backstory on who they are. They already know who I am. So, who are you?
Oh, I am Nick. That's all you need to know. That's it, I am Nick.
I am Nick of the Nick.
Fuck.
Like Nick of Time.
And I absolutely adore the Elder Scrolls series. I have yet to play Elder Scrolls Online. I'm scared to because I've heard nothing but shit.
I played the beta.
And currently the only bragging right I have is that I've played over 8,000 hours on the Elder Scrolls games combined.
That's insane. So, tonight we're playing Destiny. How much do you know about Destiny?
Jack shit.
Okay.
I just started this like 3 or 4 days ago, and I'm loving it. I bought it a long time ago, and I played it for about an hour and a half, and then I quit. I couldn't play it because I was by myself the whole time, and
so you were in the same boat I was.
Yeah,
except I got mine on release.
You got yours on release?
Yeah, I pre-ordered. Dude, I'm a hardcore person whenever it comes to Bungie. I don't even care if the game's crap. I play.
You either like Bungie or you hate Bungie.
Yeah, there's no in between. No, there's like no in between whatsoever. The only in between you'll possibly get is, I like this game, but I don't like the rest of them. That's probably the only in between you will get. Other than that, it's love-hate. And I'm a diehard fan. If I can't even jump over a pipe.
That's right. I can fucking spirit bomb some bitches, but there's no way in hell I'm jumping over this pipe.
I'm Defender class, right? Oh, yep, Defender. I tried to take a bullet for you. God, I forgot how beautiful this game looks.
I know, it looks so much better on PS4 than 3. Oh shit. Oh damn!
Okay, so like, have you played any of the Halos?
Not a whole lot, because I never had an Xbox.
Yeah.
So, I played a little bit.
Okay, let me tell you. You're going to want to play the Bungie ones only. Go Halo Combat Evolved, Halo 2, Halo 3, Halo 3 ODST, and then Halo Reach. But technically Halo Reach is a prequel, so you might even want to play that first. But those are like the best games you can play. Those are by far my favorite Xbox games. That's the only reason I bought an Xbox whenever I was a kid. Or like got one for Christmas, I guess. Yeah, just for Halo.
I heard a lot of people, that's why they got the Xbox. They're like, I don't really have a preference over the PS3 to the Xbox. It's just
Halo.
Halo.
Yeah. Well, see, back when Bungie was making Halo, I've noticed it was, like, as a beta tester for them now, I've noticed they've changed a lot. Because the original Halo Combat Evolved, I don't think there was DLCs unless you played on the computer, along with Custom Edition. But then, like, Halo 2, instead of being Activision style, I guess, and releasing a DLC with, like, a few maps in it for, like, $10, $15, they would release, like, a $5 to $10 DLC, and it would pretty much come with, like, 20-some maps, I think, were in one of the Mythic packs. And it was a completely new game, pretty much is how it felt. And then with their later series, Halo 3 ODST, they released a solely multiplayer version of Halo 3. And it came with all the maps ever. And like a new title screen and stuff, so.
Oh shit, I'm about to go down.
But then out of nowhere, okay, I really love how instead of publicly announcing their their next game, Halo Reach, they let it out through hints by, in some of the later Halo 3 ODST cases, you could buy, you bought the game, obviously. But then inside came a little card that said, get access to Halo Reach Beta. Oh, that was one of the coolest things.
That was pretty sweet.
Because you'd open it and you feel like you're getting a new present. And the beta was good. Beta was real good. And they brought Firefight back with new stuff, and oh my god. The game makes you cry even. So many people die in that game though.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'm not gonna say who. It's easy to get a hold of, and once you learn how to play it, it's fun. But if you have no idea what you're doing, it can be a nightmare. Because you can't aim, you can't always sprint.
Yeah, the aiming thing is what fucked me.
I think the only thing that really screwed me over was the, I think it'd have to be sprinting. Because you always feel like you're going to get away from an enemy, and by the time you turn that corner, you're already dead, so. I usually play the game mode called SWAT. In Halo, you usually have a shield and then health. Or like in Halo 3's situation, you only had a shield. And if you got shot in the head, you're dead after your shield's gone. Oh, level up, by the way.
Yeah. Sweet.
But basically, SWAT, you had no shield. And they gave you a precision rifle. Battlefield 3, not Battlefield. Halo 3, it was a battle rifle, which is a 3-round burst. In Halo Reach, it was the DMR, which is a single shot.
Yeah.
And yeah, people played the heck out of that. I was one of those people. I went like marathons playing that game.
Oh yeah.
Favorite thing to do. And then went United Griffball League of America. Wait, American Griffball League of America. Played that as a team called the Grunts of Griffball for a little while.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we didn't do too bad. For what it was.
Yeah, I got an upgrade unlocked for my gun finally.
Nice.
I'm gonna hit that real quick.
Like, if you ever get a chance, watch a walkthrough of that game. Halo Reach. Oh, and since we're playing Destiny, people get to see how bad I am at it.
Oh yeah?
I think that's one of the greatest things. It's like, on my player card, I look like I'm a really good player, but honestly, I suck.
I feel like I'm pretty good, but I don't want to say anything too soon because I'm really not that high of a level yet. So.
Once you get to higher levels, things get harder and more complicated.
Yeah, I'm decent at the least. Turn around, you bitch. There you are.
It always seems like in your own head you'll never be
Right
good
here,
enough, but at the same time you're the best.
It's because there's nobody else playing with you.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm the best person playing with myself right now.
Well, I mean, I usually have a different preference other than myself.
Like, I wish I could be that guy over there.
I've noticed no matter how
Dude, the
good you
melee
are,
in this
there's
game
always
is
someone
so
better.
fucking OP. Huh?
Yeah, that's because you're a warlock.
I know. It's crazy.
I main as a warlock. You should see mine.
Yes.
I can't save you, buddy.
I got you, homie.
I got him.
Alright. I was gonna say, I saw you walking over there right when you teleported, and I was like, hey, he's probably got him.
There we go. I'm in the window now. Can't touch this. Guys, I'm not technically allowed to leave. Because now he'll kill me if I do.
Shit, I'm out of ammo.
One thing that does suck is running out of ammo.
Yeah, I'm out, like, completely. I've got a shotgun.
No.
Oh, and an RPG, I guess.
Nick, wait!
I'm loving this right here, by the way.
Yeah, bubble. I make sure to rank up my defender class, just so I had one for raids.
Shit.
I'm really into defending. I don't know why.
I would love to get help right now, but I have absolutely no ammo.
Kill some drags. They'll drop some.
Where are you fucks?
Right here. Oh. Yep, you killed a lot of them. If you didn't get ammo, I'd have been sad. It's the fact that usually after you do that, he should teleport away, but he didn't.
Yeah, see, I kind of couldn't. I was stuck right in his face.
Oh, the golden chest. I haven't opened it yet. On this character, at least.
I haven't opened any golden chests.
Right here. Here's one. I'm under you, by the way.
Oh, that would explain why I could see you.
Oh, sweet. Got the S22 Cavalier.
Where?
It's right here. This golden chest. You probably can't see it. You must have already got it.
I guess so.
This could be a really long fight, unless you got people that can just absolutely demolish him. I want to see your reaction whenever you get your first exotic, too.
I will probably shit.
I have a few of them. My first exotic was the, Thunderlord.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. My second one was my Monte Carlo. But if we went, like, over armor and stuff, my first exotic ever collected was a random drop out of a legendary engram. And it was, Void Fang vestments, which are actually really good for Void Walkers. And I still have my original pair. But I've ascended it. So now it's like awesome.
How good you, gentlemen? Pretty good.
Well, we're not dead. That's an upside.
Oh, I got a really shitty helmet. That's awesome.
I don't even know what I got.
I'm so glad I got this shitty helmet. But I did, I guess I leveled my gun. Are you like me and just kind of hoard bounties?
Yeah.
Just like take all of them and then get them done if they happen naturally?
Pretty much.
Is there a limit to how many you can have?
Yeah, 10.
10?
I think it's 10. Here, let me switch out weapons real quick.
That's fine, I'm just fucking with my shit anyway. I got some new stuff.
Excellent, I'll take that.
Pass. I have 3 helmets.
Nice. I'm not even sure how many I have.
That one's encrypted. And this one is one better, but it doesn't give me strength or increased melee, so I think fuck it. Okay, so is there any reason for me to keep a weapon if I'm not using it? Like, I have a rare weapon. Is that gonna do anything, or can I?
Not really. You can just get rid of it.
Okay. Good. Just wanted to make sure I wasn't throwing some shit away that I needed, or that would be nice to have. We're gonna go to the tower real quick.
Nah, that's fine.
A couple engrams. And a bounty. So what headset do you use, by the way?
I use a Turtle Beach P11, I want to say. Oh, no. P12.
I use a... Hold on, let me get the box. God damn it, my TV... Oh, there it is. Okay, where is it? A gold wireless stereo headset from PlayStation.
Dang, dude. Those things are expensive. Too expensive for me.
Shit, they are.
$900, aren't they?
I think right around $100.
Huh. Well, at least it's wireless, huh?
They're fucking nice. They're fucking nice though.
I wouldn't doubt.
It's got a volume setting for just like your overall volume, and then it's also got another setting on the front, and it's game sound to chat. The more I turn it towards game, the more game I'll hear and less chat.
That's cool.
Same vice versa. Nice. Yeah. Do you know where the soccer ball is?
The soccer ball? I know what the soccer ball is.
I figured.
Gotta know where they are.
I got a Raven Sheep. Raven Sheep 4. Which is a fuck ton better than what I had. Nice. I look like a badass motherfucker over here.
So I'll probably wear an Object 959
you can
guard.
answer this for me.
Oh.
I don't know what some of this shit does.
Oh?
Okay. What is spin metal for? Because I have a shit ton of it and I don't
Upgrade.
know what to do with it. How do I...
If you get gear, if you have gear that needs upgraded, you can upgrade it.
Yes.
That's pretty much how it is. I don't know what else to tell you.
Alright then. I paid, like if it's a weapon that has upgrades available, I had to pay Glimmer for mine. Is it just high grade weapons that are like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like Vanguard weapons.
Yeah.
Those are definitely ones. They suck to have to upgrade.
So I'm guessing that helium filaments and all the other shit that I have is the same thing, right?
Oh,
Just
yes.
Aren't heroic modifiers, aren't they random?
On what?
On missions.
Not always. Not always.
Not always?
Nope.
Because I have a bounty to kill Sardoc Eye of Oryx with a heroic modifier.
Eye of Soryx. Where would that be?
That is on the moon. Hold on, let me look at it again. Shit. Eye of Oryx. He's on the moon. It's just a mission.
That's interesting. We could do it.
I get 5,000 experience and 100 Vanguard reputation for it.
That's not bad.
I just don't know where.
It'll show you.
Like how to get the heroic modifier on. I know where the mission is, but I don't know how to.
You know how it says easy?
Yeah.
If you click on that, you can up the difficulty by like 3 levels, I think, and set it on hard or
Mine only
harder.
ever got it on hard.
Yeah, well, that's how you put a heroic modifier on.
That's a heroic modifier?
Yeah.
Well,
It'll tell you like how it has a little skull with a skull with a crown in it. That means it has one turned on.
Well, fuck. I could have done that a long ass time ago. I do that anyway. I always set it hard. I like the max payout.
That's good.
Sorry, I upgraded my weapon damage.
Nice.
Had a mini orgasm there for a second.
Whenever you're ready, I'm ready.
I like how we both danced at the exact same time.
You should
Like
see
we
my
walked over to
warlock
each other, we're
sometime. Dude, if you saw mine, you'd be like, oh.
I made mine look like I want my warlock babes to look like.
I make EXO constantly. Actually, I don't understand why some people make 2 of the same class. Because the reason they give you 3 character slots is before 3 different classes.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
And then each one you make a different race, and you've done all 3. If I remember right, it's supposed to be Exo Warlocks, Awoken Hunters, and Human Titans. Couldn't think of the word.
Okay. We're going to orbit.
That's fine.
If you're ready.
Doesn't bother me one bit.
Fucking mission, because god damn it. I feel so stupid with this game because I know absolutely nothing. And everybody else in the game's like played it for long enough.
Yeah. I think you may have.
Holy shit, I did. No, I didn't.
And you're about to level up again.
I'm really close to level up, but I don't think I'm there yet.
Almost. You'll be there eventually.
It says I have an upgrade. I don't know for what. Oh. Duh. Never mind. I found it. Go to the moon.
Wonder when the last time JD was on.
Hard.
I guess today is Sunday, isn't it? Or Monday.
Yeah.
Not Monday. Yeah, it's Sunday. Sunday, I had it right. I confused myself for a second. I was really confused and I don't know why.
Oh, that's alright. I have work in like 9 hours. I don't give a fuck. I showed up late today.
You did?
Yeah, I was late today. I was like, hey. They're like, hey, you're a little bit late. Hey, you're a little bit of a bitch. No. I could probably say that to my manager because I actually play Advanced Warfare with him all the time.
Nice.
I know. I'm like on good terms with all of my managers. So, like I game with 2 of the most influential people in a restaurant all the time.
That's good.
This will help when I advance my levels in the Mongols.
Oh, I need to put some skills into that pepperoni tree.
The fuck yeah, I do.
Enter the hell mouth. Oh, I like this gun.
What is it?
I don't know, it's just a hand cannon.
Oh, I fucking love hand cannons.
It's a white, and it does great. You should see all the hand cannons I have, dude.
Oh, I leveled up. 1 second.
The only exotic one that I don't have is,
Are you nucking futz?
the only exotic hand cannon I don't have is, Nighthawk. Moonhawk thing. Hawk Moon.
Yeah.
There we go. I found it.
Something with a hawk at nighttime.
It's Hawk Moon. I finally figured it out. I don't know why it took me so long to connect those two. I think my brain is... That'd be great.
That's how we should end every
Podcast just...
stream. Just fall asleep.
Totally. Except we can't do it now because they're expecting it. We'll do it next stream.
It's too played out. Shit, I ran out of ammo right when I was on the kill shot.
I do that every now and then.
Oh damn it, there it is again, ran out of ammo.
You guys use fancy bullets to shoot the things. I just walked up and punched it.
See, that's what I was doing, but I ran out of ammo right before I was about to finish it off with my gun.
I died. I was about to tell you, so our school, like, for a second I thought you didn't live in my town. I was about to tell you about how we constantly get exchange students.
We do get a lot of exchange students.
Yeah, I don't understand
I don't know
that.
why. Why the fuck would you come to Oblong?
Oops.
Why is it the town of choice?
I don't know. I guess it's because it's like small town.
I guess, but still, like, fuck. There's
One
nothing
day,
here.
people are going to look back on this podcast while I'm living in LA and just think, where did he come from? And I'm going to say, oh, right over there by that cornfield.
Yeah.
Pretty proudly, actually.
In this cornfield?
Well, that's usually where my house is, actually. Well, not in town, not this one. But, like my dad's, for example. That's one. Ouch. You get out. Oh, where you at? Where you at? Where's the bad guy at? Come over here.
Let's punch him to death.
This is what I meant to do. So then he can't escape. I love the Defender subclass.
It's kind of the shit, actually.
Yeah, other Titans like smash into the ground and send out shockwaves. Nah, I'm just gonna put a bubble around you and punch you to death.
Oh, shit.
That's literally how I play this game.
Just bubble people.
Like, even in PvP, there'll be a group of people, I'll jump into the air, and my guy will slam down, place the bubble, and I'll just smack everyone to death.
I am kind of disappointed that there's no butt slam in this one.
Yeah.
That's actually a complaint I have about this game, is the jump arcs. It's just so fucking what?
Everything's weird. I wish we could jump, like, higher or not jump as high on different planets. Like, to give it more of a planet feel.
Yeah, because all of them have the exact same gravity.
Only if it's that way in real life, but it's not. Went to punch the Acolyte, and instead I punched the back of your head.
I felt it in my controller, actually.
Oh. So, like, virtual reality and stuff is blowing my mind. Augmented reality.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of Microsoft HoloLens?
No, actually.
Oh god, it's so beautiful. It's like glasses you put on, and it projects holograms, like, through these lenses for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look them up on YouTube sometime, you'll understand what I mean. It'll blow your mind like it did me. If you're anything into virtual reality and augmented reality.
Yeah.
Just as crazy as we are.
Oh, I'm out of ammo. God dang it. Man, my guy likes to run out of ammo a lot. Hold on, I got this.
Thing about the hand cannon. Nice.
I don't know why, it's just so fun.
It's because it's badass. I just have to get gold rank in this right here, and then I'll complete a bounty. Two bounties
Nice.
at once, actually.
So, what videos did you watch on the Gripline channel?
I watched a GTA montage and shit, what was the other one?
Battlefield? Because I know there's 3 Battlefield montages on there, and those are the only ones besides the GTA.
Yeah, I think I did. There was a Battlefield and a GTA.
Because I know the Battlefield one, 2 of them are mine. And it's pretty easy to tell which ones are mine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Will's has, a bit longer transition period, I guess. I'll tell you all about this editing and whatnot later on. But if you want, you can help make skits. That'd be a good idea for you. Since I focus on montages, and right now I'm doing a Let's Play in Killzone Shadowfall, but that's going to take a while to figure out how to edit. Because the one that I have on my computer sucks. And the one on PlayStation won't allow videos over 15 minutes, so...
Yeah, that's kind of a bummer. You know what you could do?
What?
You could, that would be kind of a pain in the ass.
What?
So, I was gonna say you could record videos with your PlayStation, like just 15-minute videos, and then you could splice them together on the computer.
Oh, well, see, that's what I was going for, but the one I have right now just sucks. The editing program. Okay, I know I'm not going to be able to punch this guy to death, but I can do this.
We can both punch him together in the circle.
This is working actually really well. Uh-oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn it. Fucking cock.
Well, it worked for a little bit.
We got too cocky.
We did.
That was. We shouldn't have done that.
Let me upgrade my chest piece real quick. Dude, that new helmet, that helmet's white.
I got an encrypted weapon engram. Oh my god.
Dear God.
I hope it's a rare weapon instead of just a regular fucking weapon.
That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
That would be preferable.
Dude, you didn't get to experience my freak out. No one did. Earlier, I was I leveled up my Cryptarch rank, which each time you do that, he gives you a package that has like gear in it.
Yeah.
After you reach higher levels, it starts becoming like the legendary engrams that he puts in there and whatnot. Guess what happened?
What?
Also, remind me if you have a you have a Facebook. I added you on Facebook. I'll add you into the Destiny group. But these I got 3 engrams from it. One was legendary chest. One was a legendary primary, and the other one was a blue like heavy weapon, I think. Yeah. So I went to the Cryptarch to turn them in to get some extra levels. I turned in the heavy weapon first, and it gave me crap, so I'm like, oh, not looking forward to these 2 here. I turned in both legendaries at the same time just to like pill the mandate, I guess.
Yeah.
And I got the exotic chest, the Purifier, from the new DLC. And I freaked out and I almost tipped my chair over, and then my second engram went through all the way, and I got the legendary auto rifle something here. I'll find its name real quick. And I was freaking out because I was so excited because those are the 2 things I really wanted. The Purifier is like, I want to say dove with wings on your chest. It has like a spiked back and stuff. I'll show it to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not the best way to explain it, but yeah. Let me find the name of that assault rifle. Because I know it was something good. Like it was catchy.
Oh shit, I don't remember this mission. Is
I
this
do.
the one where we fight the big fucking ogre at the end?
Yeah.
Or not ogre, but fucking... You know what I meant, damn it.
Oh, it was the
I know what I
lowdown
meant.
PXIV. It's Giant Knight, is what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the mission.
Let me out under the shrine. I'll look for a weakness.
Bleh. Yeah, this is the blah 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 snore stream.
The blah 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 snore stream.
Obviously.
You know, honestly, I don't know if this is a good or a bad thing. I honestly forgot we were streaming for a little bit.
No, see, that's
I just got
good
so-
because you can let your words out and you won't be too worried about it.
You know, I don't think I've played this one.
Oh, I played it. Played it a lot. It becomes a heroic story every now and then, and this just sucks. Hey, Sordok, I got an RPG.
Hey, look, I have one too.
You missed.
I know. He ducked right at the last second.
Boom!
Check that shit. That was a good last shot.
Yeah, it was.
It's weakened. Destroy it.
Oh yeah, I've played this one before. Never mind. I just don't remember it very well.
I live streamed me getting to level 20 on my hunter.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like a while ago.
In one solid chunk?
It wasn't like from level 1, it was like level 15 up, but yeah.
They're gone.
I was gonna say, goddamn, dude, that's a long stream.
Dude, wait until the summer, you'll see me stream for 2 days at a time. I want to make that a
I'll probably
tradition.
be in and out on that right there.
Yeah. I can, like, if I get hired and employed before that, I'll probably take 2 days off, or like take one of my days I do have off and take the day after it off.
Yeah.
Because after I do the stream, I'm going to be sleeping. There's, without a doubt.
I got a new shotgun.
Nice.
And damn it though.
What?
Damn it all. I got a new fucking chest armor too, but
It's not better.
defense and 53 strength, which is nice. But with the one I have on, I can carry more ammo for hand cannon, which is the gun I use. But it's quite a bit more strength than the armor, so I'm probably gonna switch.
That's a good idea. Elder Cipher.
Oh, no wonder I haven't played any, Okay. I
What?
just unlocked strike playlists.
Oh, nice.
I have 2 bounties to turn in when you're done with some gear. Don't need you. Don't need you. Do you like fusion rifles?
Kind of.
I can't use them. I'm too much of a... I'm too up in it to wait for it to charge enough to shoot.
Dude, you would absolutely love the thing called Vex Mythoclast. Do you know what it is?
I do not.
A fully automatic fusion rifle.
Oh my.
Yeah. I hate it.
You hate it?
Yeah.
Why's that?
It's just because of what it is. It's horrible to fight in PvP.
I haven't played any PvP on Destiny yet.
Oh, it's fun. Until you get someone like that who has it.
Yeah.
Then they'll absolutely tear you a new one. While playing.
Gotta say, least favorite part about working at Monocle's though?
What?
Your hands smell like sausage.
I wouldn't mind that for a little while, and then that would get annoying.
It smells really bad. Like, your hands will always smell like sausage. Forever. I've washed my hands 4 times and they still smell like sausage.
I know that feel. Except mine's usually not sausage, it's deer.
I love to eat.
so
I'm
good.
hungry, you know that?
I'm always hungry.
Oh, me too. I wonder if I have any food.
Like, I'm fighting off my accent even. And, oh, yeah, I forgot.
Oh, look, it's a fucking gun I'm not gonna use. Would you look at that, it's a pulse rifle.
I need to be level 14 to use my gun that I just got.
Time to go turn in those bounties I worked my ass off for.
Have fun with that.
I will. Like, yo, bitch. What the fuck? I didn't get it.
Oh?
I don't think. Didn't get the thing. What the fuck? Oh, it's a public. I have. Oh, never mind. Public events. Not. That was a different.
100 enemies with precision damage, 22 out of 100. Achieve gold rating in public events. Complete any strike without dying.
That's
6 machine. Plasma drill. I'm not sure. I may have to end the stream. And then pick up on this tomorrow.
Alright.
Because after these streams are done, I'm gonna have to export a lot of highlights. But yeah. So, kind of want to end it here. Seemed like a good place to end.
That seems like a good place. Hold on. Yep. Son of a bitch.
Oh my. I'm not going to start this.
I ain't even shit.
I'm not ready to die.
I was talking about my headset, but yeah,
Oh.
I don't want to die either. It's not exactly my idea of a good time either.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. You have been recently tuned into blah blah snore.
Shit, I don't remember the name of it.
I totally forgot for a second. For
Oh wait, it was blah 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 blah.
Snore.
Or some shit.
No, it's Snore. I know it's Snore because I'm watching it, or I'm reading it right now. For a holographic injection directly into the brain, please send $5 to the studio.
Yeah, because we're in a studio right now.
Oh, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh, or even for a VHS recording. Thank you.
Working VHS player.
I don't think anyone has a working VHS. I mean, we do, but anyway, off topic. Save that for tomorrow.
Very good, very good.
See people of the internet.
Later.
How mad is we gonna be once he sees this? It is gonna be funny.